guys, so it's time to go to the mechanic store to get the lights fitted. Let me show you a quick walk around of my Himalayan, and I have done a few modifications, not a major one but just few accessories. Let me show you that quickly. So light is a bit low over here right now because it's almost evening. So this is my Himalayan, and let me show you a few accessories that I have installed. So this is the stud wall box that I have installed, and I will show you how I have done that. And the same mechanic will be working on the lights. So let's quickly hop on and get going. So the installation of lights are complete. This is the normal light. Let me turn on high beam. This is high beam. Now let me turn on the auxiliary lights. Okay, so I think the lights, the throw of the lights are awesome. It's working fine, and the whole road is visible. And the best part is, with this kind of installation you will be able to turn the focus along with the handle, because you know a Himalayan, the headlight doesn't turn with the handle, but with this feature you will be able to change the direction of the light with the turn of the handle. So I think it will be useful in highways and while taking in corners. So hope you guys like the video, and let me show you the lights from the front. So this is how the bike is looking right now with the lights on. So I kind of like this looks very much. Let me know in comments if you have also liked this auxiliary light setup for Himalayan, and if you have any questions, any queries about the setup, let me know in the comments. I will try to solve that or try to give as much details as possible. Okay, so I hope I'll be able to make good videos very soon. So see you soon in the next videos, guys. And this is the last view of the road with the auxiliary lights on.